Today we will talk about okra.
Ho ho ho!
Okra is known as lady's finger. It's cultivated in warm and tropical climates, such as in Africa and South Asia. Okra prevent age you quickly, giving you dull, wrinkled skin. It has a proper amount of antioxidants which help you looking younger for a longer period of time. Okra is good for digestion, weight loss, diabetes, stroke and heart disease, even help to prevent various types of cancer, for example, cervical, pancreatic, lung, and breast cancer. Doctors usually advise that women to take more folate during pregnancy and while breastfeeding. Vitamin K plays a vital role in bone formation and blood clotting. We know about vitamin K, which helps strengthen bones and prevent fractures. Okra is rich of fiber. Fiber helps to prevent constipation and maintain a healthy digestive system. So, it's rich in magnesium, folate, fiber, antioxidants, vitamin C, K1, and A. If you looking for zero fat, okra is one of them. Ha ha ha. Cooking okra can be simple and enjoy with a powerful health effects. Let's see simple cooking. Please don't forget to subscribe us. Your support encourages us to make more videos further. Thanks for watching.